of the entire scope of the job. So how many sheets did you say that's about, Pop?
About 52 sheets.
52 sheets. Okay.
And that's giving us a couple of work there.
You see, you got an area here for tile. It's about 100 square feet there. Another 150 square feet here for tile. And then all the drywall. Of course, you can see under here. All this needs to be drywalled. Okay. Here's the bathroom that we need to build out here. We might replace that shower pan if we're gonna put a whole new thing in there. But we're gonna put tile in this bathroom. We also need to replace that ejector pump over there. Now you have a complete scope of the place. That helps you.